Hey everyone, welcome back to Guide with Samuel. In today's quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to cancel a direct debit from the Santander app in 2025. If there's a subscription or payment that keeps auto-charging your account, here's how to stop it fast. Let's jump right in. Step 1. Open the Santander app. Launch the Santander mobile banking app and log in with your credentials. Use Face ID, fingerprint, or password depending on what you've set up. Step 2. Tap on Accounts. From the home screen, go to Accounts and select the account from which the direct debit is being withdrawn. Step 3. Tap Scheduled Payments or Direct Debits. Look for a tab labeled Direct Debits, Scheduled Payments, or Manage Payments. The wording may vary slightly depending on your region or app version. Step 4. Select the direct debit you want to cancel. You'll see a list of active direct debits. Tap on the one you want to stop, for example, a gym membership or streaming service. Step 6. Confirm cancellation. After confirmation, you'll receive a message saying the direct debit has been successfully canceled. Some banks also send an email or in-app notification for your records. Important note, canceling a direct debit doesn't cancel the agreement with the service provider. Be sure to contact the company directly so you don't get billed in another way or penalized. And that's it. You've now successfully canceled a direct debit using the Santander app in 2025. If you found this helpful, be sure to like the video and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more quick and practical banking tutorials. Thanks for watching.